Coming down to the end of the race is Clark, Jones, and Andretti, running together, but traveling in different laps. Still holding his record-breaking pace, Jimmy Clark crosses the finish line to become the victor of the 1965 Indianapolis 500. Parnelli Jones finishes a clean second. And Jimmy Clark heads for victory lane and a winner's prize of more than $160,000. The fate of the front-engine roadster is settled. The rear-engine cars have completely revolutionized the racing picture since their introduction just 5 years ago. Jimmy Clark of Scotland becomes the first foreign driver to win since 1916. And his Lotus Ford is the first foreign car to win since Wilbur Shaw's 1940 victory in a Maserati.